Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about lighting, specifically the Baja Design fog light pod kit that they have. I want to kind of go into it. There's a million videos of how to basically install it, so it's not really a how-to video. But when I was buying the kit, the biggest thing I couldn't find was a before and after, really. Well, I guess after, because there's no before, there's no fog lights on the Raptor. But wanted to show you guys like how much they actually do light up, and they are absolutely insane. I will definitely say that. But let's kind of do an overview of like how they look in the truck and then how I wire them up. So the kit I have comes with two Squadron Sport, which is this right here. I have one with amber. The lens is interchangeable if you're not, you know, familiar with Baja Design. So this actually cap will physically come off and you can do clear or amber. I did buy that after the fact because I just decided that's what I, wanted that as we're off-roading and whatnot to help with dust and everything. But it comes with two, well, technically four, but per side you get two Squadron Sports per side and then one S2 Sport. So you get, again, two S2 for the total package and four of the Sports, because again, you double this up for the side. But the amount of light these put out is like absolutely insane. I had a Tacoma before, and in my Tacoma, I just kind of had the cheap, kind of went on Amazon and just bought kind of cheap lights on there. And, figured for the, $50, $60, I know there's a huge jump in price, but the amount of light output is absolutely day and night. You literally can't, you cannot compare the two lights, So would I recommend these 100%? And I'll get you guys actually what I wish I had when I was trying to buy these was a before and after, again, after how much light they really put out at night. And I got a couple of videos of that for you guys, but wanted to give you an overview of at least what comes with it. There's also a mounting hardware kit, with the actual L bracket and everything, how to put these on here. These can physically swivel and move and you can direct them however you want to. This is just how I have mine set up. And again, you can change all this around however you want it to be set up, but this is what I currently have. So let me kind of go into you how I have them wired up and we'll go from there. All right guys, so in my particular truck, I have them wired up to my auxiliary switches up here, which is amazing that Ford does this right here and making this amazing to wire. But so I have basically my driving fogs, if I'm gonna be turning them on while I'm on the road, on auxiliary 1, and I'll go out there and show you what that looks like. And then if I want my off-road fogs, I turn that on. So it's gonna be my amber and my S2. But here, so let me show you driving fog, what we're looking like here. So that on, jump out my truck. So I just have my middle one on both sides. And the amount of light is unbelievable. So again, I can get more videos to show you guys what that looks like. And then if I'm off-roading, I can flip on that here just for purpose to show you what it is. I'm gonna turn my driving off so you can see. You see now I have my amber and then my S2 on, again on both sides. And if I turn them all on, yep, as you would imagine. So both my aux 1 and 2 on, for me is now all off-road, all lights are on. Oh my God, these look amazing. Okay guys, in my particular truck, this is a 2019. Again, you're gonna have to look at yours to see what colors you have just to verify. But in mine, so aux 1 is green white, and then so that would be my driving fogs are on green white, and then brown blue from aux 2, so that'd be my considered off-road lights for me as well. But let me show you again just a quick video of how this is all set up here. So these are actually back behind here is how I ran them. They actually come up, around, up, and over here. Not this red one, that's for my ARB. I can also link that up into the video description up here if you guys want to add an ARB air compressor into your rig here. But they run in here, they run into these colors. So they're gonna have 6 or 7 of them here. And you actually connect the power straight into here. So your power in, and then I ground up here is how I have everything grounded. So this nut actually comes off and I have everything grounded right there. So again, these are where everything's wired. From Baja Designs, they have a couple different ways you can connect these. You can do individual, all three. You can connect all three of them together so they all turn on with one switch. I opted to do my driving and then, you know, the two off-road. So there's different connectors that come. And again, I'm not going to go into install video. There's a ton of these online of how to do this. I can link one in the description, but it's very straightforward and easy to do that. And again, you guys jump under here, look at your color code and figure out how you're going to match all this stuff up to what auxiliary port you have open and or want to, you know, use. And it's super nice. Again, full power is running through these right here. So when you flip that switch on and you have it grounded, you're going to get the power that you need right here. And guys, just an FYI, this particular, where you find that information is in the Ford supplement right here. It took me, I went scrolling through all the you know, the main manual to get this information, but it's in the Ford supplement for that the auxiliary wiring colors and whatnot. All right guys, so I'm gonna cut to some videos now of what they look like on at night, just so you can see the full effect of how much light they put out. And I've seen people with, you know, all the different, you know, again, Amazon lights, all these different things, and these put out a ridiculous amount of light compared to them. Like not even close, you know. Honestly, on my Tacoma, I had a full light bar in the front, like a 32-inch or 40-inch light bar, a couple pod lights, some things all over, and literally the S2 probably puts out more light than all that combined on my Tacoma. It is unbelievable what, you know, Baja Designs has done, and they really are a quality product. Yeah, you're paying a lot more money, but it's something you're going to have for a long time, you know. Honestly, when I go to sell the truck, you know, I can take them off and mount them onto something different, you know. So it's kind of an investment for the future if you're going to be off-roading quite a bit, and especially doing stuff at night. But yeah, take a look at these videos here of what they look like at night to kind of give you an idea. And you have any questions, guys, just, you know, give me a comment. Also, if you like the video and this is what you're looking for, which I was when I was going to buy these particular lights, I mean, that's like the biggest thing. You want to know how much light they put out, you know. And the video does so much justice really of like what you can really, like how much you really do see, but it'll give you an idea. But definitely hit the like button, guys. I'd appreciate it. Also, you know, if you're a Raptor guy or into off-roading, we're gonna be doing a bunch of off-roading stuff. Hit that subscribe button and you know, help me grow this channel. Headlights just only. Now fogs, all lights. Pretty well. Okay, headlights only there. Those are new fogs. These are all lights there. That's literally headlights off.